What's happened today? Sorry, I didn't track the market so well. क्या हुआ आज? कुछ तो हुआ है. कुछ तो हुआ है. Happiest minds OP. Minds are happy. What happened to happiest minds? What it was chilling. No happiest minds. It was like 1% up. Holy shit! How? How did the happiest minds go up from 1% to 13%? अरे यार मतलब कल correct होगा. But good. How the hell? How the hell? Why? What happened? Any news came out or what? Was there any event or trigger today? Because something going up by 13% results. Did the results come out? Wait, today is what, 20? No, nothing came out today. No, nothing came out today on Happiest Minds. So I have no idea why it went up so much. Let me check on Google. 13% is a very what 13 actually 13 or how much percent it went up? Yeah, 13.2% is a very big rally, right? It's not something small. Um, there has to be a reason for the thing to go up. No, that was 2 days ago, man. Whoever put that news. There was actually no news right now saying why it went up. Matlab, some internal news, guys. Somebody knows something is happening. Somebody knows something is happening internally and it's gone up. It's insane. It can't go up so much. Or what is the other reason why it goes up so much? Can someone tell me the other reason why it's gone up so much? Think. No, one is okay, yeah, insider trade, but still insider trade with this kind of a volume. The volume also is quite high, today. Look at the volume. The volume is 1.2, yeah, 1.2 crores volume. The average 20-day average volume is 2 lakh, and today it was 1.2 crores volume. Yes, if the volume is so high and the value is so high as well, that means there is some DII or FII trying to buy something, right? Some big player is buying. That means as simple as that. Some big player is buying. That means if IT went up, what will go down? Oh, Nifty Bank goes down. I still don't know the correlation, but this is what happens. Right, but damn, that's a good surge, man. That means the small case thing must be doing really well. So the thing is, I don't check it every day because it doesn't make sense to check it every day. I only check it once a month to see what's happening or if there is any event trigger. So since there is no event trigger, 1 second. 1 second, guys. अरे यार, so the thing is, we're hiring a lot of people in Avalon, um, and it's getting very difficult. 1 second. Put it in. Just give me one more second. Okay, what happened to Deepak Nitrite, guys? Deepak Nitrite also went up. Okay, crazy. 4.8%, dude. My portfolio must have rocked today. That means, wait, let me check. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely rocking. Definitely rocking portfolio. Nice. How's the other ones doing? Yeah, Deepak did a breakout because it was there for a very long time, right? And a lot of people kept asking, why is it not gone up? Why is it not gone up? And I told you guys you have to wait, and it'll go up eventually. Now there's one more stock that is consolidating a lot. Guess what? Guess which is that other stock that is consolidating? Yes. Remember, this also consolidated for so long. Just give me one sec. Okay, call. I got a call. Okay, what else happened? Yes, I don't know why happiest went up. I think it's fundamental. I think someone's buying a lot. What happened to my music stocks? Sare Gama, not much movement after a lot of movement in the past. Oh, tips also went up by 1.5. Tips is just going up constantly. It's like on a nice rally upwards. So I'm very happy. See, Aarti Surf, I'm telling you, it takes time. It only moves once in 3 months. If you have seen Aarti Surf's movement, okay, just zoom out of their chart. You will see that they do breakouts every 3 months. Every 3 months, there's a breakout. Why? Because every 3 months you see that the result comes out. The result is amazing because nobody knows about this stock, and I've found it so early. The market cap of the stock is 1,000 crores, and I've found it so early. Nobody even knows about this, right? Very few people knows. So it is only a result because nobody knows about it. Only few people know about it, buy it after the result. So every time there is a result, there is a breakout. Now abhi ek result aayega. If the result is good and the EPS is better, then again it will break out. And if you see, the EPS is constantly growing, right? So if EPS is constantly growing and net profit is constantly growing, net profit is growing quite massively, right? So if all this is happening, then it is good, right? So you have to wait. Time like that. That is why I put this in the thing, because every 3 months it goes up, but when it goes up, it rallies almost 40-50%. That is why I put it in the plan. Okay. Yeah. Next. Which other thing that we were doing? Hmm. What was the other things that we were looking at? 1,000 small case. क्या हो रहा था? It's good only, no. इतना ऊपर गया है. Why people are. Prince also went up today. Why is the people getting the worried? Oh, Tata Alexi, yeah, my favorite. Dude, Tata Alexi is my massive. I'll tell you that I have two tech bets, two big tech bets, and it's just two big tech bets, right? The two that's so weird to say. Two big tech bets that I have are these two, Happiest and Tata. Okay, because I have said so many stock names. Hey guys, this is a disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so any stocks that I tell here is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Please do your own research and buy it yourself. Mutual fund are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document also carefully before investing. Thank you. I should put this in my bio, a disclaimer. You're right. अभी बोल बोल के it's become common. नहीं तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. Tomorrow someone will get pissed off and then they'll be like, शशांक तूने ही बोला प्रिंस लेने को और प्रिंस ले लिया और ये सीन हो गया. इसलिए. So yeah, please. I am also being safe. You okay? If you want to listen to me, then you have to do the way I do. Overall, I always win, right? On a 365-day period, I'll ensure that I'm beating inflation and I'm beating the stock market. अभी ऊपर नीचे होगा, you want to ride the wave with me, you have to have the same patience level as me as well. Okay. You can't be like, Ajay, Shashank, I want 50% returns. Then it's not here. What podcast, Shashank? Someone's asking podcast. All you sly people sitting here and listening to my conversation. Some people are coming on my Q&A thing and saying, I know the answer, and all that. It's like I've given the question paper to my core people. You know, these professors do that. They give question paper. So it's like you guys have got the answers and all that. Your favorite students, yeah, hota hai actually in college. I literally know so many colleges where the people put their kids in tuition to that same sir because the sir only sets the paper. So he keeps the people and you put tuition to that same sir, okay? And obviously, sir wants more tuition fees, wants more money in the future, and wants to be known as मेरे students अच्छे marks लेके pass हो गए. You're setting the paper and you tell the students what might come and prepare them. You won't tell them what is coming, but you'll prepare them for what is coming. They'll obviously get good marks, and then you'll be like, all my students got, yeah, this is insider cheating, right? All of them got 90% and everyone wins. What a beautiful world, no? This is why I like India so much. It's just so many things you can do, opportunities in life. Like you become a teacher, there are five different passive income sources if you become a teacher. Like earlier, you become a teacher, it was just come to school every day, teach, and go back. Now you come to school, teach, go back, do tuitions, then go to Byju's and do some 3 4 videos, or maybe go to an academy, maybe go to Skillshare, maybe go to five other platforms and do that also. फिर online थोड़ा side में थोड़ा advanced course भी सिखा दो. I mean, it's beautiful. This is why I like scenes पे भी पढ़ाओ. Yes, so I'm gonna come back with my Pro League once the Scenes app is live, because I'm gonna do a cohort inside the Scenes app itself. Once the video and all are live, that should take around 30 to 45 days. But when that is live, मैं सब कुछ करूँगा. Okay, so maybe 40 days, 45 days, and we're getting all the big creators to come and teach. I think so. Not only big creators. I mean, it's anyone can come and teach anything, right? It's not only um, an influencer can come and teach. Anyone can come and run their own community and teach, right? I literally know Joshua is also there in this, right? He was one of the person I was getting for Avalon Meta to teach UI UX. It's incredible the course that he has made, but sadly we couldn't do it because we had to stop Avalon Meta. But the course that Joshua had built for teaching design and UI UX was amazing, incredible, right? So I think eventually that will also start. Joshua, can't wait to see that. Okay. Mm, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. What's happened in the market today? Nifty 50 down by 41 points, Sensex down by 164 points, he, and the last Nifty Bank also down by 88 points, but we are up as well, right? So everyone is down, but we are up, he. Happiest Minds up 13%, Deepak Nitrate up 5%, everything is up. Now, okay, guys, by the way, now you realized so clearly that what happens to the market, Sensex going up and down, does not actually care about what we invest and what we do. You know why? Because the Sensex is, when it goes up or down, it's all the big stocks that are going up or down, right? We are not investing in those big stocks like Infosys, Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. We don't invest in the top 50. So Sensex apni jagah, hum log apni jagah, right? Because Deepak Nitrate is not in Sensex 50. Who's this? Lotus Lab is not in Sensex 50. We are separate. So whether the market goes up or down does not matter to us. We are only worried because we need to see what is happening to our stock. Okay, now it is consolidating for 2 months. Okay, great. If you remember Lotus Labs, when it was at 280, when the split happened, right? With Lotus Labs, the split happened. It was at 280, 300, and it consolidated for so long. It was almost 2.5 months it consolidated, if you guys remember, right? But all the research report, all the research houses came and said Lotus will go to 400. That was the actual thing, right? Everyone said it will go to 400. Do you guys remember that time? When it was at 280, everyone said it will go to 400, and a lot of people are like, ऊपर ही नहीं जा रहा है, ऊपर ही नहीं जा रहा है, कब से 350 पे. In fact, it went to 351 and then 350 and then came back to 300, right? So that was the insane thing, that it went up to so much and then came back. And then now look at it. It was at 300 a few months ago. It was at 300. It was not even like years ago. Matlab, literally in 1 year, less than a year, it has doubled. Now remember, I keep saying this, that in a year you need to find only three stocks, right? Three good stocks you need to find that will go up 100% in a year. Correct? Now with me live in the last 6 months, you guys have seen one stock going up 100%. Right now, we will see other stocks going up by 100% as well. Other stocks have gone up by 40-50% already. Right, most of them are up by 50%. Now we'll just wait to see how many of them will reach 100% in 1 year. We will see next March, not even next March, by December we will see how many have gone up by 100%, right? Like Happiest has already gone up 30%, 30-40%. So no, average kar diya, it's good. Whoever saying average kar diya is good, it's not a bad thing, because you're still averaging and it's still positive. No, profit mein hi hai na. So averaging is not bad. I'm just saying we need to find three stocks that are on an upward journey. Right, upward journey matlab going up. Subex has already gone up from what, from the last 3 years it's gone up from 6 to 60. Actually, in the last 1 year only it's gone up so much, right? It was at 30 if I remember, if I remember right. Let me check. 6 months ago kidhar tha Subex? In March, by the way, it was at 30 rupees, 27 rupees. It's now already at 60. It breathes 60. So that also is doubled. So we've literally seen two doubles. Happiest Minds is the third double that will happen. Aarti will be the fourth double that will happen, and Deepak will be the fifth double. If you can get, in fact, instead of three, if we get five stocks that go up by 100% in a year, and if you still don't make money, then how do you care? Nikunj is asking, do you rebalance your small case often? No, man, not necessary, because when I have this theory, when something's going up, no, don't touch it. I'll tell you why. If I had rebalanced the portfolio yesterday, okay, Lotus went up so much, I'll rebalance, remove the profit from Lotus, invested in Nifty 50 or something else, right? ETF or something else. Why? When I know Lotus 100K, it has to go up 500%. I know it is going to go up so much, right? If it's going to go up so much, I have a vision for where Lotus has to reach, and I know where it'll go, right? Currently, Lotus is say at only 35,000 market cap. It is going to reach 1 lakh market cap. That much even I know. So when it reaches 1 lakh market cap, I will rebalance. Yeah, got it. Okay, 1 second. So I don't need to rebalance, guys. I don't need to rebalance, because if it's going up, don't touch it. If there is a fundamental change, if there is a fundamental change in something, then you rebalance, right? Something happens and Lotus gets shut down by US FDA. Okay, then it is something. Okay, then it is something. So this is what I said. The power of fundamental analysis. If you know how to do it well, and if you know how to make good about it, you will ensure that it'll always go up. Right? You don't care about the Sensex so much. I actually don't care so much about the Sensex. I only look at my top five, top six, and the remaining I've bought little bets. Right? Like for example, Saregama tips and all are bets. They're not top five, top six. For me, top five composition is what I told you right now. All the rest is, see, now again someone's asking, is it a good time to enter? Yeah, I am looking at it. I think Lotus will go three more times from what it is right now, at least three times more than what it is right now. So then if you think that is good, but it'll take a year, maybe year and a half, but it'll give you 3x. Got it? Okay, let's look at some news. I hope you guys understood. Disclaimer. Yes. So guys, this is another disclaimer again. All the stocks recommended here or spoken here are only for educational purposes. I do not recommend a buy or sell. Even the educational small cases that I had done is only for a recommendation to education and not anything else. So please do not buy or sell anything that I tell you. I am not a person who can come and tell you whether you can buy or sell, because I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I think I should just get this certificate, no? SEBI registration. Matlab, I think I should just go give the exam, get one SEBI registration, and be like, now I will literally tell everyone who wants to invest, listen to me, start my own PMS, and be done with it. Then you don't even have to think. You just put the money, I'll do everything. Shit, what a good life. I think I will do this. Got it. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, now what is happening in the market? Okay. Zomato seeks CCI approval to acquire 9.3% stake in Grofers, right? So Zomato seeks CCI approval to acquire the stake in Grofer. Apparently, Zomato and the existing investor Tiger Global will invest around 120 million in the grocery startup at a valuation of over. We spoke about this, and it also says Tiger will be investing a small amount. Oh, so sweet. What is a small amount? Tiger will be investing a very small amount on $120 million investment. Small amount, maybe 1 or 2 million. That's just 15 20 crores. What is that? It's not a big amount. It's a small tiny amount. One sec. Okay, small amounts. Yeah. Is there no one chatting? Something's wrong with my chat. Hello, can you guys hear me? Okay, something. Okay, yeah, my chat had hanged. So you guys were typing yes, but the last thing I could see was at 4:42 p.m. I'm here. Vijay Kedia saying I'm here. Don't worry. Thank you, Vijay Kedia. Oh, by the way, how many of y'all have taken Covaxin? How many of y'all have taken Covaxin? Okay, all the people who have taken Covaxin, you can forget going abroad for a few months, for a few days, because the Covishield army has just got Switzerland and 8 European Union members have approved Covishield for Green Pass. Apparently, there is something known as a EU Digital COVID Certificate or Green Pass, and it's set to be rolled out on July 1st with an aim to facilitate free movement during the COVID-19. Free movement. It's like words I've not heard in the last 1.5 years. Free movement. Every time it's restricted movement. So all the people who have got Covishield, sad man, and waited for that extra 84 days, lucky people can now visit Austria, Germany, Slovenia, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, Spain, and Switzerland. I'm crying because I'm Covaxin, where I paid more money for Covaxin and I don't even get the certificate to go. Separately, Estonia has also confirmed that it will recognize all vaccines authorized by the government of India for travel. This is called desperate. Nobody goes to Estonia. It's not like you've heard this. Everyone's like, "Abhi kidhar ja raha hai? मैं जा रहा हूँ Switzerland, मैं जा रहा हूँ Greece, I'm going to Austria." Have you ever heard someone saying, "I'm going to Estonia"? They'll be like, "वो क्या है?" Right? So Estonia is like, भाई Covishield, Covaxin छोड़ दो, आप कुछ भी ले लो, right? Just send anyone who has a vaccine, who's taken vaccine, you please send them here. कोई भी ले लो इधर आ जाओ, right? Yeah, I don't want to make. Someone is saying make fake certificate. Do you know what will happen if I make a fake certificate, go to airport, get caught, and then I come in the news that influencer tries to do fake certificate to go to, I think not only jail but I'll also get banned, and I think my Instagram account will get banned by the government, and मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा उसके बाद. Yeah, then I'll have to make a video saying Shashank exposed also. Dude, what is this exposed videos, dude? It's crazy. I think some one of y'all should expose me and then I will also do one expose video. I think it's in collaboration half the time. अभी पीआर सुंदर का आया, अब इवन दैट बूमिंग बुल्स का भी आ गया, अनीश का भी एक एक्सपोज वीडियो आ गया. So I think someone their friend only is exposing, and then they only be like, okay, see, he exposed this, I will show you everything, and then everything is fine. And I'm like, yeah, it's so weird, dude. And it's so clickbaity because they only put saying exposed, exposed, exposed. 8 countries you can go. We can't go. We have Covaxin. You have to have Covishield. Disappointing. Yes. I wish I can take another thing and also go. But one thing I liked yesterday, if you guys saw, did you guys see the news? There was a news article where EU said that we will not recognize Covaxin and Covishield. Do you know what Indian government did? Indian government just came out with the news saying if you don't allow our people to come there, we will ban all the people from EU to come inside India, right? And I was so happy. I was so glad because knowing India in the past, they would have never done this, right? Going against everyone. I thug life hi hai abhi. You can literally put that flying glasses on someone, right? Because acha tu hum log ko nahi chhodega. They're like, we will also not allow any European citizen to come inside. With even if we have Pfizer, we will not let you come inside. Immediately in one day, 7 countries I said, आ जाओ. एस्टोनिया तो बोलते सब लोग आ जाओ. By one, everybody come. But that's damn cool, no? I mean, I'm actually proud that they did that. When I saw that, I'm like, boss, ye to next level hai, bro. Like crazy shit. Modi is doing yoga there and beating people on the other side, right? आएगा नहीं आएगा देख क्या करूँगा. World Yoga Day cancel in Europe. So it's crazy. Nice, dude. I'm enjoying this. Whatever said and done, good stuff he's doing. Okay, next. Abhi, Policy Bazaar. Do you guys know Policy Bazaar? IPO is coming in July this month. It's not IPO is coming in July. They're filing the DRHP in July this month, and it's eyeing $4 to $5 billion valuation. Where is Debjani? Debjani, we need your in-depth research about Policy Bazaar DRHP IPO when they release. Yes, yes. After that entire research you did about that company in the past, जो दूसरा बंदा बोलता है whatever she said that only because you finished the entire research single handedly. So IPO research next. अभी वैसे भी Friday को we're doing a session, right guys? Friday we're doing research about which company was it? I forgot which company. Tata Elxsi. So someone from the audience has to come and do it. Not me. I'm not doing it. मेरे को ज़्यादा काम मत दो. Someone from the audience has to come and learn, and we will do knowledge sharing in this. Yeah, Bansali Engineering हो गया Prem. Prem 4 hearts. Wow. What a name, Prem. 4 hearts. Be careful. All the hearts will break one day. Your surname is 4 hearts. Are you serious? How? कहाँ से? मतलब where are you from, dude? How can your name be Prem 4 hearts? So where are you from? There's not a South Indian name at all, right? 4 hearts. I don't think it's a North Indian name also. Prem, किधर से हो भाई? This is very interesting. It is my local language, Telugu, translated to English. Why, bro? Telugu में क्या है? What is it in Telugu? This is very nice. No, I don't think he's using a made-up name. Charu Gundla. I think I like Charu Gundla better, bro. Prem Charu Gundla is better than Prem 4 hearts. It's actually damn cool. Okay, now you know Jet Airways, right? Jet Airways is in such a big loss that the creditors of Jet Airways, apparently, after all this nonsense that's happening, after the new rescue plan that's being created, because Murari Jalan, and Calrock are buying it, they've proposed. You know how much they want to pay? Guess how much they want to pay for entire Jet Airways? The total loan was 7,800 crores for Jet Airways. Okay, 7,800 crores is the total loan for Jet Airways, and you know how much they want to buy entire Jet Airways for? 380 crores. 7,800 crores is the total total loss that the creditors are facing, and they're buying it for 380 crores. Out of which 380 crores maybe, out of which only 190 crores will be paid upfront within 6 months, while the rest will come from the proceeds of issuing a zero coupon bond. Now, uspe bhi they will get money from the company, and then they will pay after a very long time. Okay, so the actual people are only getting 190 crores when the loan is 7,800 crores. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So it is तो loan कौन repay करेगा? No one will repay the loan, Japan. So basically that money is gone. It is considered as bad debts. It is gone into your NPA and GNPA, and you will lose that money. So that is gone from whose money? Whose money is gone, by the way, there. Now this is the very important thing. It's written off debt, yes, right? That means 7,800 crores mein you get around 380 crores. That means kitna ka loss hua? 7,400 crores gone. Okay, now the 7,400 is gone, wiped out, correct? Obviously gone from taxpayers' money. Now, obviously, when this 7,800 crores get wiped out from the bank's NPA, now what will happen? The RBI has to come and pump money back into the bank. Yes, the banks will lose money, right? The RBI has to come and pump money in the bank. Now, when RBI wants to pump money in the bank, from where do they get this excess money? Think about it. Connect the dots. Where do they get this money? They print the money, and when you print the money, then the inflation happens. When the inflation happens, someone does a scam, or whenever someone runs away with the money, okay, he's not run away with mine and yours money. Actually, he's run away with the bank's money because banks were being greedy, right? The banks were always being greedy. Now, because of that run away, RBI has to be like, "Arey yaar, wapas you screwed up. Okay, let me start printing more money." And because of that, the inflation goes up, and invariably it affects us, and we are still okay. Just think about how inflation is affecting the lower class or the people below the poverty line, with fuel prices being so high, right? Because for them, fuel is something that they use in their house, right? They have this small stuff where they use for cooking. Imagine how that's going to be so expensive now, correct? So that is the, yes, kerosene. Everything will go up. No, it's not only petrol and diesel, and everything will go up eventually. So just imagine how it is. Yeah, if fuel goes up, okay, now see this massive connect the dot, guys. If fuel goes up, all the companies that are transporting their raw materials, their cost will go up, right? If their cost goes up, then cost push inflation happens, and then all the prices of each individual product will again go up. And if all of that goes up, everything starts becoming expensive. So now for the people who are below the poverty line, their biscuit that they used to get for maybe 10 rupees will now become 15 rupees because fuel price has gone up. Mind blowing, right? See how finance works. Why all this happened? Why? Because one guy scammed a lot of money and went. So imagine if five people scam a lot of money and go, finished. Yeah, see, Amul, exactly, Amul yesterday said that they're going to increase it by 2 rupees, right? And that is because of rising fuel prices and rising cost of transportation, rising cost of packaging. This will slowly happen. And the problem also, guys, is not only the NPS, it is also our recovery system is bad, right? See, for example, the creditors are okay with 380 crores, and they're like, okay, fine, I'll lose this 7,500 crores loss, give me 380 crores. They're happy with that. I mean, ideally you shouldn't be happy with that, right? ऐसा तो कोई भी आके कुछ भी दे रहा है, you're taking it and running away. So might as well wait or figure out another way. Or the banks only put one guy and start running it, right? Do something else instead of just selling it to someone at 380 crores. You're buying Jet Airways, or you're clearing all the loan of Jet Airways. Matlab, this is insane. Insane. Same thing happened to DHFL, right? So this is how you connect the doors, guys. This is how slowly everything turns around and comes back and bites you, huh? So if you think someone did a scam and it doesn't affect us, it definitely affects you, and more importantly affects the people below you, people who work for you. It affects them even more because they don't have so much income, right? mm, okay. What happened to Bitcoin? Apparently it went down even more. 33,005%. Abhi to gone, no? The Bitcoin era or the hype cycle of Bitcoin is over. Everyone is talking about it. Elon stopped tweeting. Everyone doesn't care about it anymore. So it's become sad. Zydus Cadila aims to produce 1 crore COVID 19 vaccine doses per month. 1 crore doses per month, okay? Just saying. Mm, Rupee falls for third straight day against US dollar. Really? Let me check. INR, dollar, sorry, dollar INR. So interesting this is. Dude, 74.54, right? If 74.54, IT is going to rock this quarter. Rock means rock. It is going to have a blast. Literally going to have a blast this quarter. And in fact, most of Happiest Minds revenues are digital revenues which come from abroad, not from India also. So maza maza aane wala hai. Look at this. Fast toll collection rises 21% in June as compared to May. Fast toll collection has gone up by 21%. Connect the dots. What will happen if toll collection goes up? What is going to happen? Chalo, let me see who can connect these dots. Road rates क्या होता है अर्पित? What is road rates? Simply road rates. Revenue, yes, but who makes money when tolls make money? Do you guys know that? Toll income. There are some companies that make money. Do you guys know which company that is? Not government. There are some private companies who do the toll. Okay. Have you heard of this company called MEP Infrastructure Developers? For all the people who are in Bombay. Okay. Do some research on MEP infrastructure. There's something called Noida Toll. There's a company called Noida Toll Bridge Company. Uh, it's up by 5% today. But anyway, all these are very sad companies. There is one more company. What is it? MEP का ही competition में था एक और था. Very famous, very famous. So what these guys do is basically they build a road. IRB Infra, IRB Infra. You would have seen their name everywhere, guys. When you should see, all these. When you go on the road, you should observe each and everything when you enter the toll and all that. So all these companies, what they do, they build the toll, okay, they build the road, and then they have a tie up with the government where they get toll income over a long period of time. Got it? So that is something that they do. So if the toll prices are going up now, and if a lot of people are going up, a lot of IRB tolls are there in Mumbai. Yes. Now, did you know that it was a listed company? Right now, if the toll is going up, right, and if 21% more travel has happened, that means in the next quarter that will reflect in their thing, right? So you should have a look at all this. By the way, IRB it just went up in the last 2 months from 100 to 155. It's gone up by 50% from May 31st. Literally in 1 month, it's gone up 55%. So everything you should have a look, guys. Yesterday I was on the road, and I saw this bus, and bus के पीछे क्या लिखा था पता है? Olectra. Olectra was written on the bus, and I said, okay, cool. What is this? Do you know which company that was? The bus's name was Olectra. Do you know what was that? Olectra Green Tech. Yes, EV bus. Olectra Green Tech. That's the name of the company, which has been doing well, and I had spoken about it as well in the past. Electra Green Tech is now at 223, and I think I had spoken about it a few months ago, right? It's hovering there only. Oh my god, it's at its almost all-time high. 250 is its all-time high. 275 actually. Yeah. So all this, you should keep looking at things from a different angle, guys. Don't just whenever you see something, just Google and see if it's a listed company. That's all I do. That every time I see something, I'm like, is it listed? Is it listed? Is it listed? If it's not, fine, okay, cool. If it is, then I'm like, nice. Okay, now see this. Domestic cooking gas prices have also been raised. Right, domestic cooking gas prices have also gone up a lot. Next. mm, what else? Moscow, it's fine. Esports firm Mobile Premier League MPL launches operations in the US market. My god, that's so cool. MPL has hit 5 million users in Indonesia, where it offers 30 games on its platform, and now it is going to US. Not bad, dude. MPL doing well. Matlab, they know how to catch all the gamblers. They've gamified it, so it is very nice. Kareena Kapoor Khan to endorse Wow Life Sciences apple cider vinegar. Yeah, okay, no comments. Mm, I don't know. Sometimes I don't like see this when news articles get bored, no, they do articles like, see, do you guys know that L&T every other day bags some order or the other, right? Larsen and Toubro, every other day they bag some order or the other because they're one of the most, what do you call that, biggest people in the space, right? L&T. like everywhere you see, in whichever city you are in, you'll see L&T's construction going on constantly, right? And they every time order get some order or the other. So now Livemint put an article saying Larsen and Toubro bags order across business segments in domestic market. That's it. कि हाँ सब जगह ले लिया. Simple. Like it didn't want to say it bagged one order here, two orders there. It just said it just bagged orders across different segments, across different business. Done. Finished. And that too, they've said that most of the contracts they've got falls between the range of 1000 crores to 2500 crores. They're not even going into the details. They're like, yeah, you figure it out. They keep winning, so it is approximately this much to this much. I like such nice person, whoever that is. He's like, ज्यादा क्यों लिखने का, fast let's do it off. What is this? Okay, let me find one more last news. Gold rates are struggling, by the way. Good time to buy more gold. Apparently, gold rates are struggling. It's gone down. Fed hawkish turn has hurt the appeal of gold because now everyone will leave gold and go actually invest in the Fed. When the Fed rates go down, they'll start investing there. Yeah, so it's gone down. Best time to invest now. Good stuff. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. Also, by the way, India cut base import price of gold and silver also. So the import price of gold and silver has gone down from it only includes 3% GST and 7.5% import duty. So it's going to be cheaper. Okay. Awesome. Did you guys enjoy today's session? Where do I buy gold from? What these normal places, bro? Bima Jewelers and all that. Same thing. That's physical gold. Online gold, I buy it from Google Pay. So I have this weird habit which I've developed over a period of time. Every time I use Google Pay and I get a cashback. Okay, if I get 3 rupees cash back, I do into 100 and I buy gold. That MMTC app jo hai, on GPay only. So if I get 3 rupees, right, I buy 300 rupees worth of gold. If I get 10 rupees in a day cash back, I buy 1000 rupees worth of gold. So it is some weird habit I've started. Now because of that, I have got around 15 grand worth of gold automatically saved up. Um, and I don't even invest. If I won't get 1000 rupee cash, if it's 1000 rupees, I'll put 1000. मैं पागल नहीं हूँ. I'll still put 1000 rupees, right? But yeah, I think instead of putting in gold, I should have invested in ITC actually because it's almost I think same thing that is right. So whatever cashback I get, I should just. The problem is I can buy that gold anytime. If I do a cashback at 9 a.m., 9 p.m. in the night, I can just go buy that gold. Whereas अगला दिन के लिए ITC का डालो, it's not instant. Got it? Yeah, but it's a small habit. You should also do all the small habit, guys. Every time you get a cashback, no, if it's 3 rupees, then do 30 rupees. You buy something, not buy, invest something of 30 rupees, right? Or 300 rupees ka one buy of 1.5 shares, buy 2 shares of ITC and keep. You won't realize, but at the end of the year, you might just end up having 200 shares of some company, right? So think about it from that way. Or every time you get 3 rupees, just buy 30 rupees. Just buy one index, one lot of index, something like that. So build your own habit is what I'm saying. Don't have to. This is my habit. I'm saying you build your own habit. But trust me, you won't even realize you'll make a lot of money at the end of the day. Okay, awesome. How was the session? You guys enjoyed it? Nice, nice. Oh, also by the way, I spoke to I closed one more person for my podcast, and I spoke to this guy today. He's one of my idols in the finance space. Someone's book who I read a lot and I love it. Can someone guess who this is? I was so happy to talk to him. It's so sweet. Yeah, yeah. I got Anil Lamba, guys. So I spoke to Anil Lamba and I told him I want to do one session, 45 minutes, please. Thoda time de do. He said he's very sweet dude. He's like, yeah, no problem. Let's do it. We'll do a video. And I'm like, awesome. I'm shooting it next week. Next July 9th is when I'm shooting it on Friday. So आएगा मतलब July 15th के बाद ही आएगा. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's very nice. He's I mean his brain with respect to, yeah, YouTube पे ही डालूंगा. His brain with respect to money is like maybe 10 times better than me, right? So imagine that is why I'm so excited, because now I'm going to sit and learn so much from him. I'm going to ask him some stupid, like how you guys ask me questions. I'm gonna ask him stupid questions now. Imagine that fanboy moment, right? Yeah, he simplifies like mad. So it's awesome. Okay, awesome guys. Chalo, chalo. See you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the day. Okay, bye bye. A disclaimer, disclaimer. Yes, yes. This I'm not a SEBI registered person. Whatever I've said here is just a educational purpose. Nothing is a recommendation to buy and sell. See you guys. Tata. Bye bye.